What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be comparing Goodwill to other thrift stores. We're just gonna see what stores we are more successful at, so let's go see what we find. First stop, Goodwill. Only one pair of shoes I was able to find. They went 15 bucks. I think they will clean up very nice, but I should get like 40 to 50 bucks. We just got to second Goodwill. Normally this Goodwill is pretty booty cheeks, but let's see what they got. First thing I do is come straight to the shoes. One thing about Goodwill is that they can be taxing on these beat up KDs. Prices all over the place. And then they'll have like Brooks, like these for only $9.99. And these are actually very good condition. Should get like 35. I'll be taking these Tevas. This model of Tevas actually sell very good. And they only want 7 bucks for these. Should get like 25. What are those? The hell? Just found this pair of Noble shoes for only $7.99. Oh, $7.49. This is a great brand to be on the lookout for. Should get like 40 to 50 for these. And for 7 bucks, super nice pair of Ultra shoes. These are the Terrain model. These should give me like 40. First thrift store that is not Goodwill. Let's go see what they got. I didn't find nothing in the store. On to the next. Can't thrift on an empty stomach. Let's go to Chipotle.
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
Burrito and Dr. Pepper. Best combo you can get. At the third Goodwill. First find at the store is gonna be this Nike crew neck. Size extra large. I only want 6 bucks for it. I'm gonna go ahead and probably keep it. If not, I'll sell it. Should get like 25 for this. I also found these super cool Nike shorts right here. They only want 6 bucks. I think I get like 20 for these. Second thrift store. That's not Goodwill. Let's see what they got. Alright, I picked up 2 shoes. These Janowskis right here. I really don't know how much they want. I can't find a price on them, but if they're under 10 bucks, I will take those. And I got these Nikes right here. They only want 5 bucks for these. These I should get like 20, 25. And the men's jeans, I found these vintage Guess jeans right here. They want 6 bucks. And I'm pretty confident that I should be able to get 30 to 35. And right here poking out, I just found myself another pair. These are a bigger size. But check out that tag. Taking those also. Decided to leave these just because they are like very bad heel drag there and there. And I tried to see what size it was, but the little tag is chopped off on both, so I wouldn't even know what size these are. That right there was an amazing stop. On those jeans, I should be able to get 25 to 30 on each, and for the pair of shoes, he only charged me $2.50 since they didn't have a price on them. That's a score. Last and final Goodwill. There's definitely way more Goodwills than there is not Goodwill thrift stores. You already know I'm hitting up the shoes first. I did find these pair of Allbirds right here. Allbirds is a brand that's kind of dying, but the model Tree Dasher, which are these, are kind of the ones that are still selling. And these are only 9 bucks. Should get like 30 to 35. I just found this super sick Adidas hockey jersey. It is Dallas Stars. I only want $8.99 for it. This is the Hockey Fights Cancer collab or whatever you call it, but I can't find anything with Dallas Stars, but similar ones to other teams are selling for like 50 plus. They just brought a car out with some shoes, not too many. These were the best pair that I found in there. They want 13 bucks for these. These are the A6 Nova Blast 2. These should sell for about 50 bucks. All right, guys, that is going to be it. That's the end of the video. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.